Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this cute keychain. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook and a cutter. This keychain looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this, we want to know the basic stitches like magic circle, slip knot, chain, double crochet and slip stitch. First we will do 3 rectangular stripes. Then we will do this cute little bow. Next we will row the rectangular stripes into rolls using glue and then we will join them together to form like this beautiful keychain using glue. So now let's see how to do them. Start with a slip knot. Do 30 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 30 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After doing 30 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. The loop which has the hook is the first chain. You will skip that chain. You are going to work in the second chain. You are going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. Next stitch double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Likewise, you are going to do double crochet in each stitch till you reach this last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, do a chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So by following the same pattern, you have to do one more piece. So now I have done the next piece. Next, so by following the same pattern, you are going to do a bigger one. So how to do this is, first we made chain 30. For this bigger one, you will be making chain 101 and then we made double crochet in each stitch. Same way, we will be doing double crochet in each stitch. So we have completed all the pieces. Next, we are going to do a small bow. To do the bow, start with the magic circle. Do chain 3, 1, 2, 3, do a double crochet inside the circle, do one more double crochet inside the circle, next do chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and do a slip stitch inside the circle. So it looks like this. By following the same pattern you have to do one more time, that is chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and do double crochet inside the circle. Do one more double crochet inside the circle. Next do chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and do a slip stitch inside the circle. Next you can pull this yarn to adjust the circle. So now we have completed a small bow. Next do chain 1, extend the yarn little bit and snip off this yarn. It looks like this. Next you can wrap it around. You can make a knot at the back side. So the bow looks like this. So now we are ready with all the pieces. Now let's see how to form like a beautiful keychain. So we are going to roll them like this. Take the back side. We will apply glue here and we are going to roll it like this to form like a circle. After adding them, it looks like this. Same way we have to add these 2 pieces also. First we will add a glue here and then we are going to roll them like this. After doing them, it looks like this. Next we are going to join them like this using hot glue. After joining them, the keychain looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.